Hi, my name is Destiny Garcia. I'm a sophomore majoring in biology, and here are my 5 favorite things about Carthage College. My first favorite thing about Carthage has to be the lake view. I have been so lucky to have a lake-facing dorm that I can watch the sunrise as I get ready for my 8 a.m.s. But I have to say that the best view is in Straz, office side with all the plants. It makes it my favorite study spot just because of the view. My second favorite thing about Carthage is our small class size. Our professors are so eager to teach us, get to know us, that it makes it so much easier to come for help to their office hours. With that, they also give really great career advice and even shadow opportunities. My third favorite thing about Carthage is the on-campus work opportunities. I just finished my first semester as a biology lab assistant and I love it. My manager let me ease in with 3 hours a week, and now I am confident to work more hours and hopefully become a in-class LA. My fourth favorite thing about Carthage is the Aspire Center. They help students make their passions turn into reality through internships and other career opportunities. It was through their planning, conversations, and their own professional connections that I earned my summer internship at Pillar Health Community Center. My fifth favorite thing about Carthage is the Kenosha community. As I've grown up in Kenosha, I've built such great community ties that I knew I wanted to continue to build upon them and form new ones, making Carthage College the perfect place for me.